Ain't no sunshine when
Alright guys, today
it's
we are looking at
on.
trucks yet again, rating them. Alright, so let's see what we got here. So far looking nice. I don't know what it is though. Oh, it looks like a Peterbilt. Is it? Come on. Nah, it looks like that's a Kensworth. Alright, that was a 10. There's people being stupid. 10. I guess a 10. I think that's a 2014 to 2018. Slam doesn't look that good. I'm sorry guys, not a huge fan of Fords. 4 out of 10. Alright, different model Chevys, hell yeah. I want to see what y'all do to that Bronco. Holy shit. 10. I'm not a huge monster truck rating person. Not a huge fan of that truck. 6. Decent looking. Already seen you. Not a huge fan, so 3 out of 10. Oh, is this the Bettina truck? No, it's not. Um. 10 out of 10. There's a reason I don't like this truck, so 5 out of 10. No. 7 out of 10. I already know what that truck looks like. It's hell. Nice. That's gonna have to be a 10 out of 10. C14, never seen one before. Looks good. Probably gonna get a copyright strike, but one of the guys at my work are playing music, so YouTube can get the fuck over it. Eight out of 10. I'm sorry guys, I hate it, but it looks nice. Alright, I've already seen this one and it's already been rated in previous videos. Ooh shit, 9 out of 10. Peterbilt. All these trucks are like 10s in my opinion, and the Peterbilt's a 10 as well. Nine. 5. 8. 10. 8. 9. Now this is interesting. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video right here. Y'all can watch the single cab conversion. But I hope y'all like, subscribe, comment. I'm going to clickbait the shit out of the title, because I need likes and subs. So it's going to be titled Truck Work. But y'all enjoy this. And have a good night. Be safe. Probably about to post a short. But other than that, be safe. Have a good time. It's hot out. It was hot out. Now it's just humid. But yeah, all y'all have a good night. Be safe. And be crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm out.